don't forget to give Laura a thank you note for the candy. You get thank you notes for our
Right, next. See, I told you. No! Put them back. Back to Tyler.
How cute are you?
See, Jack, I told you.
I suppose you made this too. I didn't do their Batman. But it's so cute.
Yeah, I've been working on these abs myself.
Oh, wait a minute. I gotta take her. Okay, now take the abs. Oh, take the abs. Take the abs. There we
You
go.
want to stay next to your dad?
Okay, there we go. I was gonna say the camera
You don't want to stand next to your dad?
baby.
We got Robin, we need Batman.
We need Batman.
You're safe.
Well, we need Batman.
Okie beads.
We're gonna go to a place called Trick or Trunk.
That's why that's it.
What?
Try that thing.
You like that? Okay, you can try it. Did you ask Mom?
This is so. It's like,
Ooh, what do you think?
who is that?
Yeah, that's
Said
pretty
it's
cool,
Jack.
huh?
I said, you're kidding.
It's from the Clone Wars. Whatever it's called.